agents that are in this audience. I'm tired.
Guys, now you know, eh?
People's side chicks.
By the way, you're talking about, I know you're a rich man, but yet again, you hold your values of a woman and motherhood so dear. You're not just about the things. And I'll tell you this.
Hold on. How about you tell that to the casting agents that are in this audience? I'm tired.
Guys, now you know, eh?
People's side chicks.
By the way, you're talking about, I know you're a married woman, and I am a married man. I know Humphrey knows this. So the very first time I saw you, Humphrey's my friend.
Is your wife here?
She's watching on Afro Mobile.
Oh, okay.
And I have power at home, so I'm sure the phone is charged. But madam, if you're watching, no, we moved on. She found you. But I think I need to let this off my chest, Fabiola.
Hold on. You know my husband is here, right? So
okay.
You need to be very careful with your words.
Wait. Where is he seated? I need to know where the slap is going to come from. Please. But my brother, don't worry, eh? My guy, don't worry. It's in the past. I'll be very honest with you, Fabiola.
Okay.
The first time I saw you, honestly speaking, I would have wanted to ask you a question.
Really?
Honestly speaking.
But you've seen me for years. We're in the same industry. We've done the same shows.
That's where later when we met. But the first time I saw you on screen, if I had the chance, I would have asked the question. Now, Fabiola, away from the past, if we had met then, and I had had the chance to ask the question, can I ask it today and you tell me the truth?
Should he? Or should we let the past stay in the past?
Let's clear it. Let me get it off my chest. And you know what? You see why Humphrey's smiling? Because he knows. I've told him before. Fabiola.
I'm nervous because I know when I get home I have a lot of explaining to do, but...
Don't worry. It's in the past. He's here. What we're doing has nothing to do with our future. It is done. I want to ask this question. Fabiola, if I had met you then and I had a chance, I would have asked the question, look into my eyes. Sincerity before all these people. Anita, Fabiola, tell me the truth.
Is he really?
Give me the answer. Break or make. Anita, Fabiola, is this your real hair? Okay, don't worry. We can get back to that. We can get back to that, guys. Don't worry. I'll get the answer. I'll get the answer. It has nothing to do with our future. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's get back to the awards. It's an awards night, and guess what? Coming on next on this stage,
fights.
I'll keep my distance and allow me say, ladies and gentlemen, welcoming the next presenter for the next award. Please. You're loving Uganda. Do you know how much we love you, my brother? You have no idea. Can I tell you that you're actually a Ugandan? In fact, before you leave, we are giving you a name. Choose any region, from the north to the south, from the east to the west. Which one you want? Just conclude with the west. You said the west? You said the west? My brother, you allow the west. Can I give you a name from the western part of this country? Can I give you a name, my brother? We do what? Central? Central. We do the east. We do the... Okay, I think everybody seems like they're taking their own part, but that we shall do at the end of this. Now, Osita, Popo, I want to show you that you are a Ugandan. You are a Ugandan by virtue of the fact that you have been able to fit in all our situations. Now, men who are here, I want you to think about this. That day you wake up and go to work, and your wife sends you a message. Ladies and gentlemen, eyes on the screens. Look at this. Follow that conversation. As a man talking to his wife, and you know, for some reason they will say, you left, you didn't pick me, you didn't say bye, have you found somebody else? Men, you feel what I'm talking about, eh? That statement, can we talk? And every man does that. We type a message, then we're like, she will be angry. We remove. We must talk. And then, now, let me tell you, my brother Osita, let me show you. Gentlemen, am I talking to you? Every Ugandan man will be like that. Now, part one. When you are not an essential worker, you cannot move, you don't have money, and because you don't know what to do, your mind tells you, can't you clean your wardrobe? Now, as you're cleaning your wardrobe, you touch that trouser, that jacket you have not put on for a long time, and you find some money. Doesn't matter how big it is, 50K, 20K, even 5K. Every Ugandan, after getting money you didn't expect, this is how we are.
I'm rich.
Yeah, man. That's who we are, man. You will feel like 50,000 is gonna bail you out. You are so rich. Some salary earners in the building. Now, 23rd means we are coming close to the moment where we are going to be paid, not so? Next week. Every Ugandan, when the money comes in, there are things that are looking at that money, rent, kids' school fees, you know, you have to pay Chivina, ABCD. But I'll tell you, all that does not matter when you receive money in Uganda. My brother Osita, every Ugandan, after we receive money, this is how we are.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a wonderful evening.
Comment ça va? Bulaya teyogera ffe abantu ffe twogera.
Makeup akutambuza mawanga naye soko oyogerako ku Lufalansa olumye ku batuuze.
Are you sure?
Ayo.
Ok. Le maquillage est tout simplement un terme utilisé pour déclarer les cosmétiques et les outils utilisés par les acteurs pour les aider à assumer l'apparence des personnages qu'ils jouent à la télévision, au cinéma et dans d'autres arts du spectacle.
I'm glad the accent stayed Ugandan. Anyway,
But at least tingezezaako.
gezezaako mukwano.
Yeah.
Dankeschön.
Olulujamani naawe.
Okay, katugabaawo again. What Shakira just said can loosely be translated that makeup is simply a term used to describe the cosmetics and tools used by actors to help them assume the characters they portray on television, movies, and other performing arts. Now, makeup and performance is one thing, but the look is everything. And the artists that managed to understand this year's assignments are